Hi, this is Dr. Rajeshwar from YR PharmaTube. In the last lesson, we have learnt the plant products that act as anti-cancer agents. The link is given right below this video in the description. Watch it. In today's class, we discuss the miscellaneous anti-neoplastic agents. After this lesson, you will be able to learn the miscellaneous anti-cancer agents, their chemistry, synthesis, mechanism of action, and pharmaceutical uses of cisplatin and mitotane. Introduction. Certain miscellaneous synthetic anti-neoplastic agents which have not been covered in the previous classes are discussed here, and these include cisplatin and mitotane. Cisplatin. Cisplatin is one of the most frequently used anti-cancer drugs in medicine that has alkylating properties. It is chemically cis-diamine dichloroplatinum. Cisplatin is an inorganic, which means non-organic coordination complex, consists of a central platinum atom covalently linked to two chloro substituents and two ammonia molecules. In the structure, the two chlorines are labile and ammonia molecules are inert in nature. The chlorines and ammonia molecules are coordinated to the central platinum atom in a cis configuration. Complexes with amine groups in a trans configuration are invariably inactive. Synthesis of cisplatin. The synthesis of cisplatin begins with the reduction of potassium hexachloroplatinate with hydrazine to form the tetrachloro derivative. The four chloro groups are then replaced by iodine in order to bypass the formation of an undesired trans isomer. On treatment with excess potassium iodide proceeds to form tetraiodide. Ammonium hydroxide then replaces two of the iodo groups by amines to form dichlorodiiodoplatinum. The two iodines are next removed by sequential reaction with silver nitrate followed by potassium chloride, thus cisplatin is produced. Cisplatin forms a yellow powder or yellow to orange yellow crystals. It is photosensitive, packed in amber bottles and must be protected from light. It is slightly soluble in water. Mechanism of action. Once cisplatin enters cells, it enters an environment which has a low concentration of chloride ions. This leads to aquation, where the chloro substituents of cisplatin are displaced by neutral water ligands to give reactive, positively charged species which act as metallating agents. Aquation means incorporation of one or more integral molecules of water. These bind strongly to DNA in regions containing adjacent guanine units, forming covalent platinum DNA links within the same strand, that is intra-strand cross-linking. It is likely that this takes place on the N7 and O6 positions of adjacent guanine molecules. The hydrogen bonds that are normally involved in base pairing guanine to cytosine are disrupted by the cross-links, leading to localized unwinding of the DNA helix and inhibition of transcription. Although platinum coordination with DNA bases cannot be considered an alkylation reaction, cisplatin and its analogues are normally studied among the alkylating agents. Uses of cisplatin. Cisplatin has a major anti-tumor activity in a broader range of solid tumors, including non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, bladder carcinoma, ovarian cancer, testicular cancer, and cancers of head and neck. Coming to the drug mitotane. Mitotane is a non-hormonal anti-cancer drug. It is unique among anti-tumor agents in its highly selective effect on the adrenal cortex. It is being closely related to the organochlorine insecticides DDT and DDD. DDT stands for dichlorodiphenyl trichloroethane and triple D is standing for dichlorodiphenyl dichloroethane. Mitotane is the ortho-para-isomer of triple D and is used in the treatment of neoplasms derived from the adrenal cortex. It suppresses glucocorticoid synthesis by a direct mechanism on the adrenal gland. Synthesis. Mitotane is synthesized by alkylating chlorobenzene with 1,2-chlorophenyl 2,2-dichloroethane in the presence of sulfuric acid. The necessary 1,2-chlorophenyl 2,2-dichloroethanol is in turn prepared from reacting 2-chlorophenyl magnesium bromide with dichloroacetic aldehyde. Mechanism of action. Adrenal tissue is capable of metabolizing mitotane by action of a novel, non-steroidogenic P450 type enzyme that catalyzes hydroxylation at the position adjacent to the two chlorine atoms. Subsequent dehydrohalogenation of this intermediate leads to a highly electrophilic acyl chloride, which has been shown to react with proteins, leading to direct necrosis and atrophy of the adrenal cortex and hence inhibition of glucocorticoid synthesis. Coming to the uses, mitotane is an oral agent specific for the treatment of primary adrenal carcinoma when surgery or radiation therapy is not feasible. In other words, it is used for the treatment of human inoperable cancer of the adrenal gland, that is, adrenocortical cancer. It is also being used for the treatment of canine Cushing's syndrome because of its cortex selective adrenolytic activity. This is the list of references followed in preparing this lecture. That's all in this lesson, miscellaneous drugs of anti-neoplastic agents. We discuss a new topic in the next class. Till then, never stop learning and never stop watching my videos. Thank you for watching this video.